Hello everyone, I'm Marianne Joyce Alejaga from BSIT Grade 8. In this video clip, we can learn about the routers, switches, and end devices in Cisco Packet Tracer. Sit back and relax, and don't skip my video. So let's start. So if you can see, I have the examples of routers and end devices here. So we want to use the crossover cable. The IP address of laptop 1, the 192.168.1.2. The laptop 2, the 192.168.2.2. So we wanted to click to select the IP configuration, the IP address. Exit. The same with the laptop 2. And exit. So click the router. A router we need to type their IP address for the connection. Click config fast ethernet 00. By the way, we need to take the IP address na malapit or connected to our end devices. For example, 192.168.1.1. Don't forget to on. The same with the laptop 2. Click the fast ethernet 01. Type the IP address 192.168.2.1. On. We need to select the default gateway. So we need to copy to the router. Pwede mo na ka kadto. We want to send a message. Failed siya kay a router receives and sends data on computer networks. Routers are sometimes confused with network hubs, modems, or network switches. However, routers can be combined the functions of these components and connect with these devices to improve internet access or help to create business network. This is the function of router in Cisco Packet Tracer. So, connected sila kay successful ang pag-send na isang message. How about the end devices? End devices are either the source of or destination of data transmitted over the network. In order to distinguish one end devices from another, each end device on a network is identified by an address. So, end devices siya gid ang pinakauna or main para magpadala sang data into network. Without the end devices, we cannot deliver or transmitted our data to another devices. So another example, the end devices and switches. So we need to click end devices, PC, then find the switches, then server. Then connect these together, the client and the server. To PC and switch, we use the straight-through cable. Then, for the switch and server, we use the straight-through cable. So now we're gonna do this to add the IP address of PC and server. The IP address of PC is 192.168.1.100, and the server 192.168.1.254. So now we got an IP address. Copy and go with the desktop IP configuration. Exit. The same with the server. They are already assigned an IP address, so let's go with the PC and click desktop and go with the command prompt. Type the IP address of server. So nag-reply siya, they're already connected. Exit. Go with the server. Click services and go with the FTP. Add the some username, for example, my surname, Alejaga, and the password, Alejaga also. Right, read and write. Add. So may ara na ta nga if FTP. Let's go with the client and create a web browser. i-type ang IP address of the server. Click go, and may ara na ta nga web browser connected. So, to test again, FTP. Trying to connect 192.168.1.254 connected to 192.168.154. So welcome to PTFPT server. Username Alejaga. Password. So log in. So connected siya. To exit, so now this is the end of my video presentation explaining about the routers, switches, and end devices. Again, the routers we use to receive, send data on a computer network. The switches allows us to set IP address or interface level. IP address assigned on interface is used to manage that particular interface. And switches are used to connect multiple devices on the same network within a building or campus. So again, the end devices, the source or destination of data transmitted over the network. So guys, thank you for listening and good luck for the future and may God bless you always. Keep safe everybody. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Bye.